Hello, my name is Dr. Ron Daulton Jr., and I just wanted to welcome you to my YouTube channel. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to just make a brief video to introduce you to myself and also the information that you'll find on here. Basically, as I said, my name is Dr. Ron Daulton Jr., and most people refer to me as Dr. Ron. And I am a doctor in Northwest Indiana near Chicago, and my specialty is spinal disc conditions. This is the type of problem that I work with on a daily basis, and I've also written a book about the subject. So it's something that I'm really familiar with, and most of what you're going to find on my channel are videos about that topic. So problems like bulging discs, herniated discs, ruptured discs, and degenerative disc disease are the main things that we'll talk about. And, I'll explain what those things are in different videos and also give you some treatment ideas and that sort of thing if it's a problem that you're dealing with. In addition to that, I'm also going to be making some videos about other health-related topics. So if you want to follow me, feel free to do so because I think you'll find the information interesting if you're interested in natural health care and that sort of thing as well. Now, the other thing I want to tell you about is my website, because what I've done is for those of you who actually have spinal disc problems, I've made a website and it's called healyourbulgingdisc.com, and you can see it on the screen here. And what this is a complete resource for you that gives you all of the information that you need to know about these different types of conditions. So in this website, I'll explain what the different problems are, and I have images and that sort of thing to try to keep it interesting and actually show you what it is that you're dealing with. We'll talk about what causes these problems, the different types of treatments that are available. If you're taking medications for the problems and you want to learn about potential side effects or any drug interactions, or even just how those medications work, I have all that information on this website as well. And so there's a lot of really good information here if you want to go ahead and check it out. When you come to the main page, you're actually going to see this here. And one thing you'll learn about me is that I'm a doctor, but I have a good sense of humor. I don't want to keep things boring because that doesn't help anybody learn anything. So when you come to my page, you'll see things like this. And if you're not familiar with Sweet Brown is one of my favorite people. I love her and I think she's hilarious. And if you don't know who she is, you should look her up on YouTube. But basically, she has this famous catchphrase. She says, "Ain't nobody got time for that." And it makes me laugh. But anyways, so I made this image here on the main page because these conditions are things that really dramatically affect your life. And it's true, you don't have time for this. And so the goal of this website is to help you learn what you can do to get out of pain as quickly as possible, but also to help these conditions heal. And a lot of times you may have heard from your doctors that the problem cannot heal, but that actually isn't true. And I have research on the website that supports that if you want to look through it. But when you come here, what you can do is if you just want to get straight to the good information, you can scroll down through the page and you'll see right down here where I've broken it down into the different conditions. And all you have to do is click on whatever problem it is that you have. So I'm just going to go to bulging disc. And what it'll do is it'll bring up an article with information about the problem. So it starts with what the problem is and what you can expect with it. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see a table of contents where you can go to whatever part of the information you're looking for. So you can see here we've got the causes, we've got symptoms listed out here for you, what the treatments are, here's all the medications. So basically anything that you need to know about this problem is here. I've even got information about alternative health care for the problem, exercises, surgery, and then if you're interested in learning more, I have a page here that talks about my book and what that entails that you can look at also. So anyways, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you find the information helpful, and feel free to visit my website if you want to get even more information. Thank you very much.